In today's video, we're gonna talk about element of design. Element of designing is the building block of any design.
As we are talking about element of design, needless to say, elements of design have significance in fashion industry also. So as we discuss with the different element of design, we'll discuss how it is used in the garments also. Basically, elements of designs are used to focus and unfocus certain parts.
Hi friends, my name is Debolina, professionally a fashion designer, married to my best friend who's also a fashion designer, proud daughter of two superheroes. If you're watching my video for the first time, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get further notification. My channel Design Buddy comprises of fashion designing and scope of fashion designing. In every video you'll get new things about fashion design. So please do subscribe to my channel. It has come up with free online course. So please register into that course. You'll get the form in the description box below. You just have to click on the link given in the description box as well as it is given in the message box as well. Please do register to the course. The first element is dot. Dot is the starting unit of anything.
For dot, we have been using this word polka dots many often. So polka dots are the AOPs. It is used to focus the whole garment. If a person is very lean, then on her polka dots are used to focus her whole body and to deviate the focus of the person looking at her. So if we create a composition of bigger and smaller dots, the viewer's eyes tend to watch the bigger dots. So we can use bigger dots to highlight certain parts and to use smaller dots to avoid certain parts.
The second element is line. When two dots are connected, then one line is formed. Line can be of different types. It can be curved line, zigzag line, straight line, parallel lines, adjacent lines, joined lines.
If the lines are horizontal, then it creates an illusion and adds fat to the body. And if the line is vertical, it creates an illusion that the person is tall and lean as well. If the line is broken or zigzag, it creates an illusion and helps the eye of the viewer to flow from one area to the another.
The next element is shape. An enclosed area with lines is called shape. It is restricted to 2D only.
So now we'll discuss how shape is used on garments. Different types of shapes are used on garment to focus different parts. Bolder shapes are used to focus a certain parts and smaller and leaner shapes are used to unfocus. So we have to use shape very distinctively so to know which part of our body we need to highlight.
Next element is color. Color is the visible spectrum of radiation reflected by any object. Suppose we see sun. We visualize of yellow color because we relate sun with a color. If sometimes we see sun in green or blue, it will be not pleasant to our eyes. So color is very important.
Colors can create an illusion and deviate the eyes of the viewer. Color can help us to focus on one part and also can deviate from that particular part. So use of color is very important in clothing. For example, we are using one garment which have subtle colors with a pop of color. So basically our intention is to focus on the pop of color.
The next element is texture. Texture is the feel of anything. If we see around ourselves, we can see different objects. And the most importantly, the objects are differentiated with texture. You can see one shape and we ask you to depict which fruit is this. You cannot answer, right? Let us add some other features. You can imagine which fruit is it? Let's add the texture to it. Now you know which fruit is this, right? Texture is very important in designing.
as we have already discussed, texture is the part which we can actually feel. So different texture are used in garments to give the different feel of the garment. Different textures are also created to give the undue focus it wants. For example, if we want to focus the bust part, then we will use a texture fabric or a fabric which we have created a new texture on. We will use that so that the bust is being focused.
Next point is form. Form is the 3D version of shape. There's only one difference between shape and form. Shape is 2D and form is 3D.
To highlight any part of the body, the garment is given a 3D shape. For example, for the model, the hips are shorter. So we'll create a 3D form to highlight her hips.
The next element is space. The space is the area between two objects.
Space. We already know what negative and a positive space means. Negative space means the area which we are not working on, and the positive space means the area which we are working on. So sometimes placement prints are used so that we focus some part of the body which we need to highlight, and negative space is used throughout the garment so that we don't focus on it.
So now we come to the end of element of design. These elements are thoroughly used for designing. In next episode, we'll talk about principle of designing. If you have any suggestion for us, kindly drop your comments in the description box below. We'll accept your comment and give new and improved videos every time. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.